Made it. Wild. We made it to downtown Chicago and we're gonna check out the Skydeck. It's 103 stories tall and we're all scared of heights. So I'm not really sure what we're doing here, but we're gonna give this a shot. That's the entrance right there. And I can show you the balcony that we're gonna head up to also. Way up there. Little glass balconies up there. That's where we're going. Skydeck LL2. So, we're going down first. Probably do a different elevator. Making our way through the museum here on the way to the elevator. So it's on the 103rd floor, 1,353 feet in the air. 3 layers of 1/2 inch thick glass, so 1.5 inches of glass total, which will hold 10,000 pounds. So that's 5 tons it'll hold. This is the cool train. Feels like they're moving in here.
I bet it's just green. Yeah.
Kind of feel dizzy walking through here. It feels like I'm really moving. Wild. Like the Hall of Mirrors. Maze.
Remember when the baby cow ate Ratter's shirt?
Going up.
Dazzling new innovation statements, such as electricity, elevators.
Ears are popping.
As the Art Deco buildings and
Did your ears pop, Sky?
styles,
What?
Yeah.
Did your ears pop?
No.
Like this.
soaring
Yeah,
110
did you
stories
pop
high. A new
all the
American
time when I
icon is
did
born.
that?
Yeah, they're gonna pop now.
World's tallest
Yeah, they
building
just
for
did.
Oh yeah.
5 years.
Yeah.
Welcome to Skydeck.
Already made it up. Wow, the air feels different up here. Whoa.
Look at all those cars.
Wow, it makes me kind of dizzy.
Yeah.
Where's all the
You see
people?
the rooftop on that building? The people are too tiny to see.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Korea. Willis
Whoa.
Tower.
Look at all those cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like ants.
Wow.
Here it is.
Over here.
See the circle building over there? Now look just to the right. It's like a lighter color. Little rectangle building. You see it? Okay, so this is the south facing wall. That's Lake Michigan there. And that's the Chicago River. That's the south wall.
Hey, Mom. I bet I could fit.
No, don't do that. We're not trying to fit in tiny things.
Not right now.
There's a helicopter right there.
Dang, it's fast.
I can take your picture.
And this is the east wall. This is the view from the east window. And that's where we're going tomorrow. That's the Field Museum. Right next to that, the Shedd Aquarium and the planetarium in the back left. You can see so far up here.
Look at that beautiful sky.
Wow. I'm deadly scared of heights.
I'm feeling okay, but
Okay.
again, there's ground under us.
This is out of the north window. We'll see all the way to Milwaukee, probably.
I can see a lot of ground. Right here and all the way over.
Crazy. Next destination, the ledge.
I didn't realize there was a retraction system. It says that it extends and retracts for the window washer to clean. Here it is. This is the west wall. Those are all the balconies. Lights are coming on outside right now. Made it.
Alright, close together. You got it, you got it. Did you want to join the medical? Can you come in? You're up there, okay? Wait. Come here and look up. Ready, please. Perfect.
Oh God.
Okay.
This is fine.
Are we gonna do a sit, or should I just hold her?
I'm just gonna look at this.
I'm not even standing it. Whoa.
Smile. Brighter. Smile. It wasn't quite as freaky as I thought until I looked down. Then I got a little bit nervous, but the view up there is just incredible. It's really cool. So hopefully you like watching the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so we can see you in the next one. Thanks.